Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study English with Seema I am Seema Saini. I hope you all are good.
Today we will discuss notice. Let's get started. First of all, let's understand the format of notice. Make a rectangular box like this. At the top middle, write organization name, means school name, that should be in the capital letter. Then write notice, it should be also in capital letter. Then write heading, that should be also in capital letters. Then at the left side, write date. After the date, write content. Then at the left side, write name. Then designation. Let's discuss the question now. Question 1. Your school is organizing a tour to Mumbai and Goa during the winter vacation. Write a notice giving detailed information to the students. You are Madhav Madhvi, school pupil leader, St. Columbia's Senior Secondary School, Aminabad, Sundarnagar. First of all, make a rectangular box like this. Then, at the top middle, write heading St. Columbia's Senior Secondary School, which is mentioned in the question. Then write notice. Then write heading, which is mentioned in the question, that is tour to Mumbai and Goa. Then at the left side, write date 10 May 2000. Then write year. After that, write content. Our school is organizing a tour to Mumbai and Goa during the coming winter vacation, which is mentioned in the question. It will be a 10-day tour which only students of the senior secondary classes are allowed to join. The expenses for travelling, board and lodging shall be around rupees 15,000 per head. Those who want to join this tour should give their names to the undersigned by the 10th of this month. A no objection note by the parents is must. Then write name, which is mentioned in the question, Madhav. Then write pupil leader, which is also mentioned in the question. This is designation. Question 2. You are Mohan Radha of 35, Main Bazar, Solan. You have lost your briefcase while travelling by bus from Lakshmi Nagar to Netaji Park, Solan. Draft a short notice to be published in the Tribune under the column Lost and Found. First of all, make a box. Then at the top middle, write organization name, means school name. But school name is not mentioned in the question. Then we will write ABC Senior Secondary School. That should be in the capital letter. Then write notice. That should be also in capital letter. Then write Lost and Found. This is title which is mentioned in the question. That is column name. Then at the left side, write date like 2nd September 2000. Then write year. Then write content like this. While travelling by bus from Lakshmi Nagar to Netaji Park, Solan, I lost my briefcase which contains some valuable documents. It has also my board certificate for All India Secondary School examination. The briefcase is light brown in color and is of the VIP make. The finder is requested to return it to my address at my cost. Then write name, which is mentioned in the question, that is Radha Salvani. Then write address, which is also mentioned in the question, that is 35 Main Bazar, Solan. Question 3. You are the head boy, head girl of your school. Your school has organized a cultural program in aid of the flood victim of Bihar. Write a short notice inviting names of students willing voluntarily to participate in it. This is important question. First of all, make a rectangular box. Then at the top middle, write organization name, means school name, like Patel Memorial Senior Secondary School, Chamba, HP. Then write notice. Then write heading like cultural program. Then at the left side, write date like 15 October 2000. Then write year. Then write content like in order to raise funds for the flood victims of Bihar, the school has decided to organize a cultural program in the first week of the next month. All those who want to participate in this program should give their names to the undersigned by the 20th of this month. The program shall include such items as dancing, singing, mimicry, instrumental music, etc. Then write name, Vinod Kumar, then write designation, head boy, which is mentioned in the question. Question 4. You are Shiva Gauri of DP Public School, Nagpur. As a student editor of your school magazine, draft a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board, inviting article sketches from students of all classes. This is most important question. First of all, make a rectangular box. Then write organization name means school name which is mentioned in the question. Like DP Public School, Nagpur. Then write notice. Then write date at the left side like 20 October 2000. Then write year. Then write content like the next edition of the school magazine Bipasha is going to be published in the month of January 2000. Then write year. Contributions for the same are invited from students of primary, middle and also secondary classes. The students are invited to write literary articles in English for the school magazine. All contributions should be neatly written or typed on one side of the paper only with a margin on each side. Contributions should reach the undersigned by the 15th of December. Then write name, Gauri, which is mentioned in the question. Then write designation, which is also mentioned in the question, like student editor. Then close the box. Next question, question number 5. You have lost your wristwatch while playing in the school playground. Draft a notice for your school notice board giving details of the wristwatch. You are Shivam Anita of Government Senior Secondary School, Chamba. This is important question. First of all, make a rectangular box. Then at the top middle, write organization name means school name which is mentioned in the question, that is Government Senior Secondary School, Chamba. Then write notice. Then write lost. Then write date at the left side like 17th July 2000. Then write year. After the date, write content like during the recess period today, I dropped my wristwatch in the school playground. It is very valuable to me as it is a loving birthday gift given to me by my mother. It is of HMT make with golden case and dial. The finder may either return it to me or deposit it with the school office. Sincere thanks and a small cash reward is promised by me. Then write name which is mentioned in the question like Anita. Then write roll number 13. Then write your class 12 B. Then close the box. But remember, close the box after completion of notice.
That's all for today. For more videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Keep watching. Till then, bye. Take care.